Tax Refund 2025 update. In today's video, we have the next direct deposit date shared. We have the latest numbers updated on the IRS.gov website. We have transcript codes and much more. So make sure you stay tuned. But before we begin, as always, welcome back, everyone. So very happy to have you back for another IRS update. Now you can check the status of your 2025 tax refund using the Where's My Refund tool on IRS.gov 24 hours after you e-file your 2024 tax return, 3 to 4 days after you e-file a prior tax return, and 4 weeks after you file on paper. The Where's My Refund tool is updated once a day, usually overnight, and it is not available between the hours of 4 to 5 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and your tax refund may be delayed if the IRS need to make corrections or they need further review. If they need additional information from you, they will be sending out you a notice via mail. In terms of processing of tax returns, the IRS is currently processing Form 1040 tax returns. Paper returns received original March of 2025 and amended received February of 2025. Keep in mind that this does not include those that require correction or further review. Now, letters and notices. The IRS is currently processing your correspondence received January of 2025, so make sure to expect a delay if you had to provide additional information to the Internal Revenue Service. And if your 2025 tax refund isn't what you expected, the IRS may have made corrections to your tax return. If they did indeed make any changes, they will be sending out you a notice via mail. Also, it could be that your tax refund was reduced to pay prior tax debt, as well as your refund from a joint tax return could have been applied to a spouse debt as well. Also, if you receive the paper check instead of a direct deposit, it could have been because your bank account is not under your name, your spouse's name, or a joint account, or your financial institution rejected your direct deposit, or you requested more than 3 electronic refunds to be deposited into one bank account. Now, the numbers for the 2025 tax filing season ending May 2nd, 2025. Total tax returns received 144,762,000. That is an increase of 1.4% compared to tax year 2024. Total returns processed 142,188,000. That is an increase of 1.6% compared to tax year 2024. Total number of refunds 91,959,000. That is down negative 1.0% compared to tax year 2024. Total amount refunded in dollars $271 billion. That is an increase of 1.9% compared to tax year 2024. And the average refund is $2,947. That is an increase of 2.9% compared to tax year 2024. And for the good news, the next direct deposit date shared is 846 refund issued for May 26, 2025. Make sure to check your IRS online transcript for your next direct deposit. And for those amended tax returns, the next direct deposit date shared is 846 refund issued for May 19, 2025. Now let's go over some IRS transcript codes. 570 is additional account pending. That means the IRS needs more time to review your 2024 tax return. Once they are finished with their review, 971 means they will be sending you out a notice with any changes that were made or requesting additional information. 290 means additional taxes. The IRS has made a determination that you owe taxes. And 291 means reduce or remove prior tax debt. That means the IRS final conclusion was that you did not owe additional taxes. And code 767 is reduce or remove credit to your account. Code 765 is reduce or remove earned income tax credit. Make sure you're checking your IRS IRS online transcript for your most up-to-date status in terms of your 2025 tax refund. Finally, you can contact the IRS, the Taxpayer Advocate Service, in order to check the status of your tax refund delay. You can contact the IRS at 1-800-829-1040, and you can contact the Taxpayer Advocate Service for assistance as well, especially if you are experiencing financial hardship due to your tax refund being delayed. You can contact them at 1-877-777-4778. You can also schedule an in-person appointment by calling 844-545-5640. You can also contact your local state representative by going to house.gov, put in your zip code, finding your representative, and you can contact them to receive assistance in finding out what the delay is. So make sure to explore all of these options to find out what is causing the tax refund delay. And don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and come back for more 2025 tax refund updates and breaking news. Bye-bye.